Okay, ke sibone ke ukuthi question 5 usiphethele la. Basiphethele a quadratic function, meaning that this is a parabolic function, right? Abakuphanga, okay, bheka la. Abakuphanga equation, ne? Bakuphe information in bullet point form. Bese bathi kuwe, you need to sketch la ku 5.1, then you determine the equation. Bese kuba namanye ama questions alandelayo. So basically this is a parabolic function. It's another question on our function. Question 4 no question 5 in this question paper, it's where we find our functions corner. So lana basinikeza a parabolic function. Thanks for tuning in, guys. In the description box there's more content ongayibukela for this question paper. All the questions engwaphendulile uzowathola lapho, as well as a link to another channel where for our lessons. Okay, now lana bathi consider a function h with the following characteristics. So basipha le information bathi the axis of symmetry is the y-axis, the x-intercepts are -4 and 4, the graph cuts the y-axis at, this is the y-intercept, at -8. Ku 5.1 bese bathi sketch the function. Sketch the function of h on a system of axes, clearly show all the intercepts with the axis. Now axis yami, system of axis yami naila y x, y and x. I think it's a different color. Alright, again. So -8 isimthola somewhere la. Nangu -8 bese kuba u-4, nangu -4 bese kuba u-positive bani 4. Positive 4. So chaza ukuthini ke, this function yami izoba a smiling 1, izoba so, not a sad one. So izoba kanje ke. So this is 4, -4 and -8. Oh, big. Nangu -8 la, not this one. Okay, so this is your function ke. Ukhombisile ama intercepts 1, 2 and 3 kanjalo, okay, and the shape of the graph is correct, ne? 5.2 bathi lana determine the equation of the graph in the form. So okay, let's say y is equal to now sifuna the equation of the function ke manje, ne? Sifuna the equation of the function, bangiphe ini ama x intercepts as well as the y intercept, so I can see that okay, ngibhale la plus q. I can see that I know that q uyini uyi intercept. This q is always the y intercept. So asibhale ubani u-8. So this is y equal to ax squared minus 8. Now sengishoda ngani? Sengishoda ngo a ke manje, sengishoda ngevalue ka a. How do we calculate to a? I can use either this one or this one to find a, this point or this point. So let's use lena ka 4, this one, 4 and 0. So y 0 a, what is the value for x? 4, so squared minus 8, 0, 4 squared, that's 16, a minus 8, transpose 8 equal to 16, 8 divided by 16 divided by 16. A is equal to 8 over 16. I'm an imdala for 8 divided by 8, it's 1. 16 divided by 8, that is 2. Yeah, so a is 2, therefore y is equal to 1 over 2 x squared minus 8. Yeah, I should lead by example. Calculator kahle kahle akufuneka ukuthi rely kiyo too much. Sometimes nalama calculations are simple, komele wayenze mental, you don't need a calculator ne bazoze bakurobhe changes dolo man. Now done. Siya ku 5.3. La ku 5.3 bathi write down the values of x for which h of x is less than or equal to 0. Oh, function yet it's h of x equal to 1 over 2 x squared minus 8. So sifuna the part of the graph where h of x are less than or equal to 0. So now h of x ngamanye amagama sifuna la y khona are less than or equal to 0. Sifuna lama x values azowenza y abe less than or equal to 0. I can see that to -4 uyenza ukuthi y abe ubani abe u0. It's the x-intercept as well as this 4. Anything less than 4 I get a negative y. Anything less than 4 I get to negative y, negative y, negative y, negative y, negative y, negative y. Anything less than or positive 4 as well I get negative y, negative y, negative y. So our answer like should be y, no, x. Remember sifuna ma x values signs y abe less than or equal to 0. So x is less than or equal, for this one, x is element of included -4 and +4. -4 and +4. So now solution here today. Yes, this is our solution. 5.4. Write down the equation of k if k is equal to -h minus 6. Okay, this is just an algebraic operation, man. Not too silent today. Kx is equal to -h x minus 6. This is equal to minus open bracket to hx ubani half x squared minus 8 minus 6 equal to -1 over 2 x squared plus 8 minus 6. Kx is equal to -half x squared plus 2. Now answer it. Alright, bangani bami, in the question 5 uphelela lana. This is the last question of 5.4. Check out the description box for more content ongayithola, for more content engirecordile for this question paper November 2022. Hey, the question paper, man, yo limnandi man ngoba li difficult. So check out the description box ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe. Peace for now.